Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneak World, and I am back with another video. As you can see, we're in tight quarters right now. We're in my son's room. We're in Josiah's room. I have some things to do over here at his computer desk, so I figured I'd take advantage of the lighting, you know, and unbox this here package from Adidas right here on the channel. It actually came in yesterday. Yesterday was super busy. My son's 9th birthday was yesterday. I'm here with the birthday boy. You know what I'm saying? How does it feel to be 9 years old?
It's amazing!
So we didn't have time to do anything but celebrate his life, which was a beautiful thing. Happy birthday, Josiah. But anyway, we're gonna unbox this Adidas box right here. I'm gonna put it in the thumbnail, so I'll just let you guys know this is the Billionaire Boys Club. Human Race, whatever they're called, the Pharrell joints that just came out. We're gonna unbox these here on the channel, so y'all stick around, hang out with your boy, and let's see what we got in this box. All right, so I'm gonna try not to waste too much of y'all time. I'm gonna try to get through this as quick as possible because I know I ramble a lot, but let's get it right into it. Cut through this package. Hopefully I don't cut into the box. And I'm gonna explain a little bit about these sneakers, not just the sneakers themselves, but why I have them. Black Panther went down. And as y'all can see, you got your HU, all white box. Now look at this size. This says size 13. Shrimp boats. Y'all know I don't wear a size 13. I actually got these sneakers for a friend of mine. Well, she gets them for her son. And this is like the third pair of Adidas. She got a couple pairs of Yeezys off me, and the Butters, the Creams, and now these Adidas for her son. So I appreciate that. So I'm gonna open these. Let's get straight into them. This is actually a package that you have to take out both sneakers because they have differences. They're not both the same. So I'll get rid of this box. Now, on your right sneaker, you have your heart. On your left sneaker, you got your mind. Heart and mind. And as y'all know, Pharrell, with a lot of this human race in itself is just about positivity, upliftment of the human race, the community, the environment. There's a lot of different sayings, whether it's in English or Japanese or a lot of other different things that he puts on his sneakers, but this all has a good meaning behind it. To get into a little bit of the details of the sneaker, both sneakers are all navy blue, white and yellow. And I think these are dope. It's hard to get a good gauge on these because they're so big, and it's smaller sneakers, like somewhere in the middle, not little kids, but not big shrimp boats. It's usually easier to get good details on something that's like a 8.5 to a 10.5 or something like that. But either way, I still think they look good. These come with 2 sets of laces. You got your white and black laces, and you also have yellow and black laces. I've seen some people have white in one and yellow in the other, or usually just they keep it OG and keep it white. But I think these are dope, man. I think that the trail bottoms are dope. I think that's a good touch. A lot of people are calling these bricks, and what we need to get away from is not only wanting super limited exclusive stuff. You like what you like. Rock what you like. Who cares if they're sitting? Who cares if they continue to restock? If you like them, get them. Because once they're gone, they're gone. Then you're going to have to pay resale a year and a half later. So if you like them, regardless of how limited they are or how widely available they are, hey, you get them. Add them to your rotation. It's about how you wear the sneaker. It's not about how many people have them. Because some people got a bunch of sneakers and don't even know how to dress. Just saying. So I think these are dope. I like the lacing system on these, how it's all up top. The plastic cage along the side allows you to lace your sneakers pretty much right up to your ankle. And then the whole rest of the sneaker is available to be able to be viewed as far as whether you got on shorts or jeans or joggers or whatever you're wearing. I think that's a dope touch. And then obviously you have your whole boost. The inside is all black liner, but it's just on the insole. It's just a piece of material over the boost. Like it's your foot almost goes directly onto the boost material in the sneaker. So there's not a lot of as far as like insole padding, but I mean obviously you got boost, so that helps. You got your all black trail outsole with Adidas in the middle, and there's not much more to say. On the right sneaker, you got Adidas on the back. On the left sneaker, you got the Billionaire Boys Club logo on the back. The only thing that's keeping me away from getting a personal pair of any Pharrell is the retail price is just crazy, man. $250 out the door, plus tax and all of that stuff is a little high for me, even though I really like them. If I get a pair, my first pair of the Pharrell's NMDs will be the white pair. I'll try to put a picture up, the white pair out of the Inspiration pack that's coming up. If I get a pair at all, it'll probably be those because I like that colorway, but I won't be able to wear them because it's going to be winter. But if not, I'm cool. I like these, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these down below. I hope the quality of this video is okay. Like I said, I'm in tight quarters, but I'm going to put these back in the box and I'm going to get these to her son. I appreciate you to continue to rock with me, man. I appreciate all of you guys continue to rock with your boy, Bobby Sneaker World. Y'all know how I end my videos. OVE!